It's my first real vlog. I used to just make video driving and there traveling a little bit, not too much. So today I will try to talk about something useful. Okay. Yeah, lately I'm having a problem with the start. So I think it's a problem with this but a really old bike. So it's like 20 years old bike. I started to drive when I was 12 years old. It was a Soviet time. It was 80s, and I'm from Russia. And basically, what I got from there, it's like you're not existing. The first thing you have to put in your head when you're driving a bike, you're not existing. Nobody sees you. Even if you think that people sees you, even somebody waved you, it doesn't matter. It's like, it doesn't matter. You have to think about like everything around you up front. Like, you have to see what people doing around you. You have to predict what it's gonna be next minute, next like 10 seconds, next 1 second, and you have to see all the cars around you. And no way you have to rely on other people on the road. So you alone and nobody sees you, and like if somebody hit you because they didn't see you, it's your fault. It's not their fault. They just don't see you. It doesn't matter who's right, who's not right, and whose fault it is. There's a lot of video on YouTube that bikers getting mad that somebody cut them off on the road, didn't see them or whatever. It's a lot of bunch of stuff can happen on the road with the bikers. So, and they getting mad, they like jump from them bikes and trying to scream to those guys, hit them, I don't know, all kind of shit. And I'm like, okay guys, so what are you doing? You're trying to teach people how to drive the car and see you? Okay, yeah, that's probably really educational. And the only thing you're doing is like getting people more mad about your actions and about motorcycles in general, because you behave like an asshole. So, but really, it's only your fault that something happened. So it's, I mean, not the 100%, but it doesn't matter. So just be cool, try to understand what's going on, and just try to see up front what's gonna happen. I'm riding a bike for 30 years, and I've felt a couple times, maybe more, and like a lot of shit happens for that time. It's a lot of time people just cut me off or something. It's like a lot of shit happening. So, but basically, I never blame anybody around me that they doing something that make me nervous on the road, or so, because it's like, it's my responsibility. So I was talking about who's right and who's wrong on the road. So the idea is that it doesn't matter who's right or who's wrong, just a matter of what's gonna happen to you. So drive safely, think twice before you do anything on the road, and thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll try to put a new content about the biking, about like whatever comes to my head, so hopefully it's gonna be useful for you. Thank you, bye.